This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, stability control. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.